I don't follow rules and they don't like that. I was skipping school to get my sack right.
What's up? Your dad gonna kill me? You don't have pockets?
No, I feel like it's gonna
fall. It will fall off. Your dad's okay with you getting on a motorcycle? Okay. Do you want to go to my house or you want to go somewhere? Go ahead. You told him I was coming?
No, he just got home.
Let me see. So I should be quiet getting out of here?
No, it doesn't matter. He's cool. He got home from work. We were just conversating, catching up.
Do you know, like, not to, like, wait. Oh, okay. Don't, like, pull on me.
I won't.
Can you touch the tank or no?
Huh?
Can you put your hands on the tank or no? Your hands?
Yeah.
I mean, no, you can put it on me, but, like...
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that from?
I don't know.
Let me see. On both? Oh, is it the tank? Oh, it's this. It's this tank thing. Yeah. How does it feel?
Good. I mean, this is loose.
Huh? What, the helmet? It's not tight? Let me see. Wait. Get off.
Huh?
Get off. You want to try this one?
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Damn, it's just heavy.
Damn it, I don't know how to tighten it like this. Oh, no, I do. Did it say something?
Yeah. It's like, hello.
You just see how it is. Decided that far.
There's like a 7-Eleven right there. Like on Livingston. Yeah.